it's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. I have got to come on tonight and talk about these Avon rings. So if you were just joining me, I am an online Avon rep, and all my information is below. You can actually join my e-coupon list. I have a link below, or if you want to order from my e-store, that is below too. And right now, I am showing you all of the Christmas stuff. Holy moly. So we're just ending campaign 23. So there's still time to order in this catalog. But check out these rings and earrings in campaign 23. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. So they actually have a limited edition color baguette collection. They are pierced earrings. These are $9.99 a pair. And then the rings. I don't wear earrings, so I did not get the earrings, but they have to be just as pretty as the rings. I did get the rings. Check these out. It is $12.99 for the set. And it's funny because I love costume jewelry. I think it is awesome. If you lose one, you didn't lose a $3,000 ring. I wear them all the time. So I want to show you the colors. Holy moly, these are so pretty. I don't want to get this stuck on my finger. That would be bad. Okay, the sizes that they come in are 6, 8, and 10. And I actually currently own the size 8. 8 fits me perfectly. I usually wear like a 7.5, 8 for ring size. And this one fits really well. And then my mother actually got the size 6. This one is a little bit smaller. This one fits on my pinky finger. But I just want to show you these rings up close. So what you get is you get the set of 2 for the $12.99. And I cannot tell you how many compliments I am getting on these rings. They do come in blue, they come in green, and then they come in this ruby red. I'm like, hey, if we had yellow, we'd have the Hogwarts houses. How funny is that? And then they also come in jet black. I have not gotten the black one. I'm thinking about it. So I actually want to get the red one for me. And then my mother also wants to get one of the green ones. But they are so pretty. So you can actually wear them a couple of different ways. So if you got 2 sets, you could actually wear 2 of the colored bands together. You could actually wear 2 of the clear bands together. You could do a little fancy thing, and you could wear a blue, a clear band, and a green. There's all different ways that you can wear these, which I think is absolutely so much fun. You could actually pair 2 of the clear bands with one of the colored shades. I mean, the possibilities are literally endless for this. And that's what I love about them. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, they are costume jewelry, but I feel like they're well made. I've been washing my hands with these. I've been, doing all my, everyday, cleaning and stuff. And they've held up really well. So I'm super excited about the quality and how they look. And I love the fact that you can get the 2-piece set for $12.99. I'm like, that's a really, really good deal. So this is one of my favorite so far Christmas products. I'm like, I really love these rings. So I definitely had to show you that. I did put a link below if you want to purchase these online. And let me know what you think. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I am an online Avon rep, and all of my information is below. So you can check everything out. If you want to join Avon right now, even if it's just to buy your own things at a discount, you can do that too because it's free to sign up. I will see you guys later. Paris is coming next week. Have an awesome weekend. Bye-bye.